In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board buttons in Trello Butler. Board buttons are a fantastic way to streamline your workflows and save time by automating repetitive tasks in Trello. Whether you're organizing your projects, managing deadlines, or coordinating with a team, these buttons can make your life a lot easier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and customize your own board buttons to automate actions with just a single click. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.trello.com. Once you're there, head to the top right-hand corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your Trello account. Enter your email and password, or if you prefer, you can use a single sign-on method, like signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. From your dashboard, navigate to the board where you want to create your new button. Simply click on the board to open it. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select either Automation or Butler, depending on what is displayed for your account. This will open up the Automation window, which is where all the magic happens. In this window, look for the section labeled Board Button and click on Create Button. Now, this is where you start customizing your new button. First, pick an icon for your button. This icon should represent the purpose of your button, so choose something that feels intuitive and easy to recognize at a glance. Next, enter a clear and descriptive title for your button. The title should explain what the button does so that you or your team can understand its function without any confusion. After naming your button, it's time to add the actions you want it to perform. Think about the tasks you want to automate and add them one by one. Trello lets you stack multiple actions in a specific sequence, so organize them in the order you want them to occur. Once you've set up the actions, you can configure additional options to refine how and when your button applies. These settings allow you to tailor the button's behavior to fit your exact needs. When you're happy with your setup, click Save to finalize your board button. Now that your button is created, you can find it at the top of your board. It will be easily accessible whenever you need it. Try clicking on your new button to trigger its actions and see it in action. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.